If you need to inspect a website, debug code, or check how a page is built, Mozilla Firefox Developer Tools are exactly what you need. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest ways to open them on Windows, Linux, and Mac, so you can get straight to work without wasting time. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, let's start with the easiest method. On Windows or Linux, press F12 on your keyboard to open Firefox Developer Tools instantly. If that doesn't work on your setup, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and I at the same time. Both of these shortcuts take you directly into the Developer Tools panel, which is perfect if you want a fast way to inspect elements, view console messages, or troubleshoot issues on a web page. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is slightly different. Press Command, Option, and I together, and Firefox Developer Tools will open right away. This is the quickest method for most users, especially if you plan to use the tools often. Now, if you prefer using your mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts, there's another easy option. Go to any web page, right-click anywhere on the page, and then choose Inspect from the menu. As soon as you click that, Firefox will open the developer tools and highlight the section of the page you clicked on. This is especially useful when you want to inspect a specific button, image, text block, or layout element. You can also open developer tools through the Firefox menu itself. Click the menu icon in the top right corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, go to More Tools, then select Web Developer Tools. This path is useful if you don't remember the keyboard shortcuts, or if you simply prefer navigating through the browser menu. Once Firefox Developer Tools opens, you'll usually see panels for the inspector, console, network, and other helpful tabs. The inspector lets you explore the page's HTML and CSS. The console helps you view JavaScript messages and errors. The network tab lets you see how files and requests load. These tools are incredibly useful for developers, designers, and even beginners who want to understand websites better. If you accidentally open the tools in a side panel or bottom dock, don't worry. Firefox gives you different layout options so you can move or resize the tools to fit your workflow. And if you want to close them again, just press the same shortcut you used to open them, like F12 or Ctrl, Shift, and I on Windows and the Linux, or Command Option, and I on Mac. So to quickly recap, the fastest way to open Mozilla Firefox Developer Tools is with the keyboard shortcut, but you can also right-click and inspect or open them from the browser menu. Now you've got 3 easy ways to access them whenever you need to troubleshoot, edit, or analyze a page. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful browser tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.